my YouTube channel, The Drama Diary, where we seek the hottest tea and spill some secrets. So आज वही सब एक secret I am going to share it with you because of course as you know I don't keep secrets from you, right? So I am going to share something like which is very important to me and जिसने I think for लगातार 3 दिनों से मेरा नींद चुरा कर रखा था. I couldn't sleep. I was so much stressed up. I was so much messed up that I have to get it because let me say this like I've realized, I've come to this realization because that I'm so high maintenance. I mean, what can I expect from the guys I'm dating when I'm only failing to handle my expectations? Okay. So I was like, no, girl, I want it, and if I want it, I can sleep over not having it, like on not having it. I was so messed up. But after having more than 2 or 3 days sleepless nights and messing up my mental health over it and going crazy and obsessed over it, finding like for it, after searching so many Google links and all, asking Google, asking Chat GPT, like everywhere, what to do about it, I finally got my hands on it. So, are you ready to, like unveil the secret with me? I know the secret, but are you ready to know the secret? Let's get started. So, the moment for which we all are waiting. I mean, I was so waiting to when I can show it off, when I can show it off. मतलब आज सुबह ही I got the delivery of it and trust me, कल रात को I slept only for 4 hours because I don't know तुम्हारे साथ भी ऐसे होता है या नहीं, but if I'm having a overwhelming emotions that I'm excited and I can't wait to have it and like that, मेरा नींद उड़ जाता है seriously. And I was so much like कब मिलेगा and आज सुबह of course my favorite, my good Amazon delivered it within time. I think around 8:30 or 9. Like वहाँ पे लिखा था कि it will be delivered in 8 to 12 p.m. like noon like between, but वो पहले ही आ गया and I was so much, yeah, I'm so hyped and I'm so okay. It's like, you know what, I'm loaded with excitement. So ऐसे sometimes these episodes will come when I will go like "Ee, ooh," like this, but just bear with me because I'm about to show you the dream of every content creator. I think it is. So yeah, dan, dan, I'm presenting you Sony ZV-E10L. L means it came with a kit, like the, I got the this strap was given, the battery. It also came up with the memory card, Sony original memory card, but I didn't know. I was confused that whether it will be given or not. So I also bought the SanDisk Extreme Pro or something like that, like card also. Yeah. बट सरप्राइजिंगली वो बॉक्स के अंदर पे था एक सोनी का ओन मेमोरी कार्ड. बट जस्ट लुक एट दिस ब्यूटी, जस्ट लुक. Okay, so it has this inbuilt mic. It is very great for like blogging and all everything. And see stylish one, see. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. So so what it does in like, okay, now first let me open this one, the lens. It also comes like this lens was given, but the best thing that I felt about this camera is that it's not only good for the beginners, like who are wanting to pursue their like their path in this content creation thing, but it also good for the like the later stages of building like contents, because this lens is interchangeable. I can open, of course now मैं नहीं इसे उतारूंगी, but it can be interchanged, it can be changed. This can be open, this lens, and I can put another lens for better wide range and everything. So yeah, this is the inbuilt mic, this is the lens I'm saying. Okay, firstly I just need to say that I don't know much about this camera. Okay, like, of course I know the basic things, that it has 24 megapixel. It has interchangeable lens. Of course, this monitor, like it's, I can see like while I will be recording like this, I can literally, like with the back camera, I can literally see how I will be looking here. And not only that, dun, ta-da, and this also gets like this. I have to apply this tempered glass, like I'm not loving these fingerprints. I think somewhere I have this small OCD thing where I can't look at this thing. Okay, yes, you can see the fingerprints. I'm hating it. So okay, so yeah. Okay, I also changed it to 4K, 4K at 24 FPS is the setting here. 24, 25 it was. I don't know, like yeah, and it also has 1080 like P for the resolution, but I chose 4K of course. So let's like let's open it. Like I have सुबह से मैंने YouTube पे छान मार के कैसे चलाते हैं, what are the settings I can get. I don't know much about it, so please if anybody knows more settings, more cool settings about this camera, about this new baby of mine, then please let me know in the comments so that I can take a professional help from you guys. Okay, if you are a photographer, if you are into content creation, if you know anything about this camera, please let me know, because I am not that much well versed about using this camera. But of course, after researching and all, a little bit, I got to know that which would be best for me. Like it was a war, like it was a tug of war in my mind between this camera, and also I had in mind that Canon G7X Mark II. It was also nice, but Amazon Pay and Flipkart Pay, that was not much available, the Canon one. So मुझे ये लेना पड़ा. And also I found that if someone have this iPhone, okay, it's kind of nearly like similar to the Canon one, but this one is good because it has changeable lens facility. So yeah, it has the mic also. And so let's start. This is the, here is this on button. I don't know why I keep on looking like this. If the camera is like this, I have some, like I have to look at myself. So obsessed maybe, I don't know. Okay, yeah, I have to always look like how I'm looking here. Okay, whatever. So so let's get started. This you can see the on off is there. I'll be owning it, and as soon as I on it, the lens, slightly up. Yeah. So, oh, okay. So yeah, if you can see it, you can see it. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Okay. Yeah, and also, I got this light setup on my. You can see here. Also, I got this light setup on my this dressing mirror. And also I have this wire, like what I'm saying, wire, the wires are here, the extra wires which I have to fix, but I didn't. I felt so much lazy that I have to sleep, because मैंने जैसे बोला कि कल रात मैंने सोया नहीं, because I was having so much insomnia at night. Of course, for the hormones also, I had my aunt Flo with me, so I couldn't sleep that much also. Yeah. So and also this over this excitement all got messed up, and I couldn't sleep for much of the days, like 4 hours, 2 hours, not 2 hours, 4 hours or 5 hours sleep. Okay, मैं नींद खुल जा रहा था, so I was like, no, today I go. See, it was so standby, so ये अंदर चला गया. It's okay. You can do it. Okay. Um. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the light. Also, I bought it from the Amazon. If you want link, then it will be given in the description box. Yeah. And this is the phone. You can see the what I'm recording now. So I'm also obsessed with this light setup. It's so much giving the content creation vibe, and so much like, yeah, of course, पहले जो था वो भी अच्छा था. पहले I used to shoot there, in that corner of that there. Then I thought, let's change it up. Let's let it out. So yeah, this camera I'm so much uh, obsessed about. It has photo, where I can click literally the selfies like this. It has selfie. I can click the selfie like this. Oh, it got a little bit. Yeah. Also, I can click good selfies out of here, which I'm also excited to show you guys. Okay, wait a minute. Let me click a selfie and let me show you. Okay. The, wait. So I'm learning. So this is the photo. It also has this blurring effect, what it's called the bokeh or bokeh, something like that in the professional term. Okay, I'm still learning. Please just spare me of the trolling that I don't know nothing about the camera I just bought. But but yeah, it's just I'm learning, and I really thought that this would be cool one to have it. So it also has this bokeh, this system, this one, which is pretty much about the cinematic video which we make in the iPhone, the blurring effect it gives, and for the record, and yeah, I'm good to go, and I'm really happy about it. I'm really excited to use it. So the next time you see me using the like shooting a video, you'll definitely know I'm shooting it with this. Yes. Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. It is great for the beginners. I think it's so lightweight also. Like it's so lightweight. I can just put it my. Oh, it also came up with this bag, this camera bag, this Sonica bag. Here you can see the name is really written. The Sonica bag is there, and it's so much great. I'm so excited about it. I'm so much hyped. Like इतना hyped कि मैं कल रात सो भी नहीं पाई. You can imagine. So and also about the light setup, I have to fix a little bit about it because of the extra wires and all. ये ज़्यादातर जाता है, like the vertical mirrors में, like straight rectangle mirror से, but ये थोड़ा सा oval है मेरा mirror, तो I have to be with it. So yeah. So that was my surprise. That was I was excited about. And if you know anything more of this camera, you can help me. Trust me, you can help me. You can save me. So please, I don't know much about the settings, but जो भी setting मैंने सीखा YouTube से and all, whatever I got it from ChatGPT, I did it. Okay, like yeah, it's not a review of the camera. It's just me sharing that I bought it, and I'm so much happy about it and so much excited to shoot in it. So stay tuned for more contents, for more fun contents and all. More gossips are on the way. Yeah, of course. And more skincare also. I don't know if I will be shooting the skincare or the gossip, but yeah, stay tuned. It will be again on the channel. So stay subscribed, stay safe, stay hydrated because oh my god, it's so hot. Yeah. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.